Haribol, Namaste, and welcome to my channel, Sharanam 108. So today we're going to sing the Guru Puja prayers, or prayers to the spiritual master. So I'll sing it first and then we will go through the chords. Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sama Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sama Panamoi Savadana Mate Panamoi Savadana Mate Panamoi Krishna Prapti Hoya Krishna Prapti Hoya So the chords for this part of the tune is E minor, A major, C major, D major, and back to E minor. Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sama Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sama. And then the next part is Panamoi Sarvadana Mate Panamoi Sarvadana Mate. So the chords for that is C major. Actually, before you come to the C major, there's a D major. But the D major is just what I call a bridge chord. It's from your E to your D major, you're going to your C, and that's where you start singing, from your C major. But that's just a bridge chord. So let's do that again. Panamoi Sarvadana Mate. So the chords are C major, D major, B minor, E minor. Bando mui sarvadana mate. Bando mui sarvadana mate. And then there's a higher part to that. Bando mui sarvadana mate. And that you start singing from E minor. Bando mui sarvadana. D major, B minor, mate. So that's one part of the song, and then the next part of it is Shakudan diloje jamne jamne prabhu se, Shakudan diloje jamne jamne prabhu se, Divya Gami de prakashita, Divya Gami de prakashita, Prema bhakti ay hoite abhijali nasayate, Prema bhakti ay hoite abhijali nasayate, Vedegaya charito, Vedegaya charito. So this is very simple. It's E minor, Shakudan diloje jamne jamne prabhu se, A major. So it's just those two, E minor, A major. Then that's D major, Divyagan ride prakashito, and G major. So it's D major, G major. And those are the chords for the Guru Puja. I hope you got that. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel, Sharanam 108. Goodbye.